Hi, a few years ago I was watching the Slingshot channel and I saw that crazy German demonstrate a wooden repeater slingshot crossbow, and I was so impressed with it. I just said I gotta have one of those. And then when they came out with the 3D printed version, I bought the plans and the files and I built one. And man, I was pretty impressed with it. But it had a few problems, like the pulleys were too small. These little bolts were a pain in the ass. Anyway, but the biggest problem I found was it took a long time to print, 65 hours, and it was hard to assemble. Plus, after you printed, you had to do a lot of cleanup on the plastic to make it work. And I thought I can make it better, so I got a clean sheet of paper, and I came up with my version. And this is my version, and it's a lot more compact. And it has a few features on it that I really like. First off, it's very easy to build. It'll print in under 20 hours on my 3D Max. It prints really well. It's easy to assemble. But let me show you how it works. First off, to load the arrows, you just drop them in from the back, and it'll hold 5 arrows. Well, actually it'll hold 6, but 5 work best. Just drop them in from the back. Make sure you get the first arrow in flat, otherwise it causes a bit of a problem down the way. Drop all the arrows in. Now this little stomper thing, every time you close it, it presses down on the arrows and makes them properly. When you push the handle down, it locks in place, and boom, shoot. You have to release that lever to lift it up, and that, when you pull it back, it drops another arrow down into the chamber. And there's 5 arrows. It also you can put a laser sight on it. However, in this light you can see the laser doesn't really do a whole lot. Anyway, that's it, and it's super easy to build. Let me show you how it's built. First off, the elastic is easy to remove. It's just a bolt through there, take it off. You can flip this, pull that lever up. The whole slide arrangement for cocking pops off the front. These parts are exactly the way it came out of the printer. I didn't do any screening or anything. See, I printed with no support, and there's a bit of roughness there, but it doesn't affect it. Anyway, to assemble it, all the pieces fit into one side like that. Whoa! See, there's 2 sides. This piece slips on top, and you lay everything in there. I put the screw for the trigger in to hold it in place while you do it. Slide everything in place. The other side snaps on, and you just screw down 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and it's together, and can be taken apart for repairs because they do break. Over the last few years I've been working on this thing. I've also designed one that shoots ball bearings. This thing is a monster. It'll fire a 10mm ball bearing like a bullet, and it works exactly the same way. I've been playing with a larger one with a longer stroke and a longer barrel, and that shows potential. I'll eventually get that one together too, but it works great. I think a bigger improvement over the Adderini, just a whole lot more compact and easier to work on. Okay, here's the Adderini. Is it cocked? No. I guess you gotta cock it first. So the Slingshot is considerably faster, but
Ow!
Don't poke yourself out.
I already did that.
Keep on.